I did back there and land off the side of that jump. What do you think about that?
Not very good. He's got to land on the landing. He's got to get away from that edge. He's gonna die.
I was riding GC's bike, so poor guy can't ride. And
He's already done what you did, I believe.
Oh yeah, he did.
Really likes the edge.
Not quite as far as I did.
No.
Come on, I won. You see, earlier I was riding the track with these boys. I was cutting down right here, you know, that 450 power. Right here, yeah. But I hit that little spot. It was a little slit, and it sent me into a donkey pit. Let me show you where I landed. Tried to pull a K-Dub style transfer, but landing right there was not ideal. Luckily it wasn't too soft because I would have been face first down this stuff. Did you see my video, guy? Done told the boys no tripling through this action because they got outdoor suspension. How the boys looking?
Not bad for double moto.
What would
no triples.
What would you and I's lap times be looking like compared to these two?
Fine.
They're 35.
Category. It's been a long time since I've been faster than you, Brett.
Were you ever?
OMC, baby! You came and saw me on that Suzuki, and you almost had to go buy one afterwards.
Dude, that was a pretty serious day. I'm with you.
Oh, you're burning your boot.
That was. Oh, dude.
I ain't burnt that boot. Why are you burning worse?
Woo! Smoking, dude. Don't smell very good. How you guys feel out there?
Good. Good. Track's gnarly.
That's fun. You jumped, Brett.
You impressed with that 2-2-2'd it?
Yeah. Same rhythm as them.
I went 2-2-2, baby.
No, we had a strict double rule today.
Yeah, that's why I didn't triple.
Corner and about the turn.
I was trying to stay out of that, not to break the rules, you know?
What was his fastest?
35.2. I think your fastest was a 35.8. That's good.
Kane, did that scare you whenever we jumped together and we almost crashed together?
I mean, a little bit. I heard your bike. I'm like, oh my god. And I look over, you're like, ooh.
I was just trying to make sure you're paying attention.
Yeah.